have two things to share with you guys. Something I picked up at TJ Maxx, and then my my Coach. I think this has to be my Fletcher that finally came in. Well, not finally. It's not delayed or anything. So I went to TJ Maxx, just kind of looking around. They had this Von Dutch. I thought it was super cute. I have one that's pink, but it's longer. It looks more like a terry. That's in this cow print. And then I have this Von Dutch that is red and white, but it looks more like this one. Let's see. This one. Y'all, they have marked this down to $13. I bought this at $29. I was thinking about grabbing that and then taking this back, but I was like, no, I ain't gonna do all that. But so let's take a look at this one, and then we'll take a look at my Coach first. All right, so it does come with feet. That blue and white with silver is really pretty. They do have branded studs on there. It's super cute. This doesn't feel like that cow hair purse from Coach, but you know, it's nice. They do come with 2 zippers. I like that. And you got the little branding on the back. And I paid $16 for this. Not bad at all. I have seen Burlington sell this for the $49. So very, very cute. And this is a pretty tiny purse, but for the price, I needed to go ahead and get that. All right, so pulling the stuffing out and I scratch my hand a little bit. All right, so we got a slip pocket in the back. That is very cute on the inside. It doesn't come down enough to me. This is kind of frustrating. So we got a zipper pocket in the back with some kind of label. All right, and then this lining is that wipeable, I guess, nylon type of lining. I don't know what this is. What is that? I can't hardly even read that. I guess it's telling you what it's made out of. Okay. So we got a zipper pocket in the back, a slip pocket in the front, and that lining is pretty cute. All right. So that is that one. Excuse me, guys. My allergies are killing me right now. All right. Super cute. So let's move that one to the side. Oh, and it came with a strap. Let's take a look at... Sorry, y'all. Let's take a look at the strap. All right. Okay. So, it is adjustable. All right. So that's that. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at this. I am excited to see this. I had bought the Loved Leather bucket Rowan with pockets, and I wasn't happy with that one. I sent that one back, and I bought this. This is actually cheaper. Oh, guys, have y'all noticed that Coach went up on their prices from drop day? So, and I'm irritated about that because I don't know what that means. Does that mean that drop day is a discount, or they saw their popular pieces and they figured out which ones were popular and they went up on the price? But anyway, that same Rowan bucket bag that I sent back, I paid $189 for it. I think it's like $219 now. Yeah, the same bag, and that's frustrating. They went up on all of them, not all of them, but they went up on a lot of the Love Leather and the ones with the pockets and stuff. They're all they went up on the Rowan bucket bag with the pockets. I think they were $299 drop, not $299, $219 drop. They're up to $239. Coach, get them another. But and this bag here, this little Fletcher bag, it was $149. It is now on the site for $169. I mean, why? They couldn't stand being reasonable. All right, but anyway, that's my little rant, I guess, about that. Okay, but here we go. Let's open this up. Oh yes, this is very pretty. This is very nice. Now this is a Fletcher. It came on the men's side, and I am so happy to have got this for the $149. Oh, this is nice. This is so much nicer than the Rowan bucket bag, and the leather feels nice. I don't know what it was about the Rowan bucket bag that I didn't really like it, and that was even before I found out it didn't come with a pouch. And then I guess I kind of start thinking about why they didn't include the pouch. And I was like, I guess they figure you got pockets, so you don't need a pouch. But that was frustrating because everybody that buys those Rowan bucket bags know that they comes with a pouch. And so now it doesn't. No, you could spring for a pouch, Coach, really. But anyway, I really like this one, and I think this one flew under the radar. I haven't seen anybody else unbox this, but it's super cute. Y'all, I'm very, very happy about this. I scoured the website and I was like, wait a minute. I don't often go on the men's side, but I scoured that website and I was like, wait a minute. And then it took me a few days to decide to go ahead and order this, but I'm glad I did. I like this much better than the Rowan bucket bag. All right, I think this would be cuter and edgier. Yeah, I can see in my head how I dress this. All right, and I like this nice thick strap. And I think the Rowan bucket bag came with like the leather strap, so you lose that, you know. You get this web strapping, but it's a man's bag, you know. So super cute, no feet, but I like the way they did the loved leather part of this. I like it. I really like this. All right. I'm not big into the camera bags. I do have one carry. It was the pink one with that pink drop. The one with the 2 compartments. I'm glad that this is the 1 compartment. I think I would like that better. I haven't worn that pink one yet, but I think I would like one compartment better. All right. Okay, so that is the name of that. That's the code if y'all need it. All right, let's get that sensor out of there. All right, and then you can snap that. Sometimes their snaps are really, really tight, and I always kind of feel like I'm gonna pull it apart. All right, there we go. And that's a nice size cavity. I like that because I struggle with small purses, but it would have been cuter if they had 2 zippers. But I'm really, really happy with this. I'm so glad I sent the other one back and bought this one. I can't even hardly tell you. And the tag is really cute. All right, guys, that is what I had to share. I got that and this. All right, and I will talk to you guys later. Anybody else pick up on the Fletcher? Bye.